Biomass. What is biomass? Biomass is a renewable energy source, is biological material from living or recently living organisms such as wood, waste, gas, and alcohol fuels. Biomass is commonly plant matter grown to generate electricity or produce heat. In this sense, living biomass can also be included as plants can also generate electricity while still alive. Forest residues, for example, such as dead trees, branches, and tree stumps, yard clippings, wood chips, and garbage are often used for this. However, biomass also includes plants and or animal matter used for production of fibers or chemicals. Biomass may also include biodegradable waste that can be burnt as fuel. It excludes such organic materials as fossil fuels, which have been transformed by geological process into substance such as coal or petroleum. Industrial biomass can be grown from numerous types of plants, including switchgrass, hemp, willow, poplar, sorghum, and miscanthus, and a variety of tree species ranging from eucalyptus to oil palm or palm oil. The particular plant used is usually not important to the end products, but it does affect the processing of the raw material. Although fossil fuels have their origin in ancient biomass, they are not considered biomass by the generally accepted definition because they contain carbon that has been out of the carbon cycle for a very long time. Their combustion therefore disturbs the carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere. Chemical compositions. Biomass is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen based. Nitrogen and small quantities of other atoms including alkali, alkaline earth, and heavy metals can be found as well. Metals are often found in functional molecules such as the porphyrins, which include chlorophyll, which contains magnesium. 0.1 and 1% of the available light is stored as chemical energy in plants. Biomass sources. Biomass energy is derived from 5 distinct energy sources: garbage, wood, waste, landfill gases, and alcohol fuels. The largest source of energy from wood is pulping liquor or black liquor, a waste product from processes of the pulp, paper, and paperboard industry. Waste energy is the second largest source of biomass energy. Contributors of waste energy: municipal solid waste, manufacturing waste, and landfill gas. Biomass, alcohol fuel, or ethanol is derived primarily from sugarcane and corn. Biomass can be converted to other usable forms of energy like methane gas or transportation fuels like ethanol and biodiesel. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Theoretically inexhaustible fuel source. Second, when direct combustion of plant mass is not used to generate energy, there is minimal environmental impact. Alcohols and other fuels produced by biomass are efficient, viable, and relatively clean burning. And last, available throughout the world. Disadvantages. The disadvantages of biomass: it could contribute a great deal to global warming and particulate pollution if directly burned. Second, still an expensive source both in terms of producing the biomass and converting it to alcohols. On a small scale, there is most likely net loss of energy. Energy must be put in to grow the plant mass. How does it work? The harnessing of energy from biological mass is a simple process. First, the waste, wood, and other sources are gathered in big trucks. Second, the waste is then transported to a biomass plant. Here, the waste is fed into furnaces where it is burned. The heat created is used to boil water, and the energy from the steam is used to rotate turbines and generators. The second method through which energy is created is called landfill gas. This is the schematic of a biomass gasifier. When garbage is burned or is allowed to decompose, it gives off methane gas. Pipelines are put into the landfills, and the methane gas is collected. It is then used to make energy in power plants. The use of biomass can help reduce global warming. The end. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye. This is a project of computer education to Davao City National High School, school year 2010-2011, Mr. Lope A. Biswell.